Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video I have the Kaba Gemini, which is another high pin count lock. I do not have a key for it, unfortunately, and the pick usually doesn't take too long, so I will show the internals like after I get it picked. So let's go ahead. Using the Mulligan bar to tension and a custom flag, starting on the right side. We'll click on one on the right. Click on 2 on the left, double click on 3 on the left, double click on 3 on the right. Okay, now let's check the top pins. Okay, one is binding. Click there, double click on 2, click on 3, okay, let's come back to 1 on the left, click there, and these top pins like to drop a little, so let's check them again, and there's the open. Okay, so really quick pick, I have to leave it unlocked, so that I can comfortably remove this covering. Oops. So let's go ahead and gut. Okay, I'll leave this here for just a second. Of course I forgot to take the tweezers. And okay, so let's remove the top plate. There's a spring, of course. Okay, top will go here. And the driver. Okay. Another. And 3. Okay, I lost the spring, but I can see it. I think I heard it for sure. Okay, that's all. Now I can relock it. Take out the key pins. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Okay. Now, yeah, we'll find the spring later. Left side. Come on out. There's 1. Actually, I may just remove these springs all at once and then dump the pins. I think it will be faster like that. Three, four, and that's it. And the right side, whoops, I forgot. I really forgot I have the, okay. It's just 2 and 3, right? Okay, damage control. I completely forgot that I have the pins in there. Fuck. Anyway, does it really matter? This is 2. Keep in from 2. Oh, there he is. Keep in from 3. Doesn't want to go out. I need to help him a little. There he goes. And 4. Okay. There's no driver, why? Oh, because it's here. Okay, now I see it. I don't think... Yeah, it should be like this, I think. Yeah. Okay. So, let's not repeat our mistakes. Okay, there's the spring. Wonder if I can take it now. Oh, I can. So, there's one. Out you go. There's 2. Three is somewhat compressed in there for some reason. Okay, let's take 2 out. There's 3. There's 4. Okay, I think I got everything out. It was kind of messy gutting. Springs are really weird. Okay, so what do we have inside? Let's take a look. Nothing too special about the drivers except that these top drivers look like something out of a challenge lock, I guess. Let's look at the size of that thing. But it's just because the chamber is a lot longer in here. Okay, so this is like really long. So I guess it's there because so they fill up the space and they don't have to do like two long springs. But other than that, these are just standard drivers. And for key pins we have several types. We have these normal looking key pins, and we also have these key pins. Okay, sorry, maybe I can show it a little bit better. Yeah, you can see that there is a sharp lip on it, and under it there's kind of a spooling, I guess, so it will give you uncounted rotation if you manage to overset it. And is there anything else noteworthy? This one also has like a little lip in there, but it's not that sharp. So, okay, and the other key pins look pretty much normal to me. Okay, so very interesting gut, to be honest. Peak not that much, but gutting. Actually, it was the first time I took this lock apart, so I didn't know what to expect. So yeah, I guess it remembers better times, but we managed to get it apart, so hopefully I can reassemble it just as easily. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Kaba Gemini. It was 11 pins, pretty nice, good feedback, and interesting gutting, to say the least. Okay, so thank you for watching again, and have a nice day. See you next time.